Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Boss from Home, and this is your go-to platform for finding out and discovering different ways to make money from home, make money online, make money practically anywhere. We love to share free resources, all to help you improve your finances and also hit some of the goals that you have. Usually every Friday, we chat about different ways to make money, starting your very own business, for absolutely free using Printify. So if you're interested in possibly launching a profitable pillow business in 2025, I want to take a deeper dive and show you exactly how you can actually create something that I personally super love purchasing and even designing, and these things are decorative pillows. And this tutorial is especially for those of you who don't have any design skills at all. I get it. Maybe you want to make passive income from home. This is going to be the video for you. We'll be using Printify's print-on-demand service, from picking the right materials to designing eye-catching products that your customers will love. So whether you are brand new or you already have experience selling, this super detailed guide will help you to level up your online store. So let's get started. So first off, let's dive into what is trending right now. So pillows are not just decor, they're actually personality statements. So in 2025, these three trends that I found are leading the way. We're going to talk more about them. So aesthetic typography quotes, which are motivational quotes, minimalist fonts. You also have seasonal decor themes. Think about holidays, cozy winter vibes. And we also have the minimalist and boho prints. You can think about earthy tones, neutral palettes, and so forth. So use Printify's design tools, or you can upload your own artwork to match these themes. And you don't have to worry if you are not a designer. Printify is going to integrate seamlessly with different tools like Canva and Procreate. Okay, so as you can see, Printify has a huge selection of different pillows that you can choose from. You can choose pet themes, throw pillows, circle pillows. Here I'm going to show you what the throw pillow looks like. And this is a newly launched pillow design that they have out. So this is here by early access. If you choose this, you are one of the first people to use this within your shop. So I want to show you how easy it is to use designs that have been previously uploaded to include into your store. So they have a bunch of different graphics. I have a few here that I have uploaded from different websites. I think this one is from Canva. So all you need to do is simply upload your design, spread it out, and be sure that it covers the entire space. Just take a little time to make sure that that is what visually pleasing to you. Now you can add fonts if that's your thing. So if you want to do the typography themed pillow, you can add different sayings, different quotes. You can even add names if you'd like to. This will add customization to your shop, which is really a huge thing right now. People love customized gifts. So here I am adding in a quote, "Stay a while," just because I have a pillow just like this one at home, and I want to see how that might look here in my shop. So simply type in the quote of your choice, reposition it to make sure that it is center, and you can also play around with different fonts. You can also choose different colors. Make sure that you choose a color that stands out, that allows the text to bounce off of the design and stand out truly to be a great pillow for your customers. Now, normally Printify includes the mock-up view, but because this is an early access product, the pillow is early access. They don't have that just yet, but I'm going to show you another design that you can possibly use, just to give you another example here. So I want to now choose a different pillow design, and this one will be the circle tufted pillow. So with this particular example, you're going to see how you can use the mock-up feature. You're also going to see how easy it is to use designs straight from Printify's website and simply add that on your pillow, customize it a little bit, reposition it, and use it in your online store. So in this way, you don't need any design skills because all of the designs, the high quality designs, are already included within the Printify website. All you need to do is reposition it, add font if that's what you want, use inspiration that you can pull from Pinterest and so forth, and just simply see what your customers like, what they don't like, and add accordingly. Now, once you are done ensuring that the designs are according to your standard, you're going to hit preview, and this is where you can see the mock-up views. This is going to show you what your designs look like in real life, and voila, this is so easy, so simple. Anyone can do it. So in order to make sure that your designs print beautifully, you want to follow these Printify tips. So the first one is using high resolution files. 300 dpi is recommended. You also want to keep key design elements within the safe print areas. And finally, use transparent backgrounds for more versatile designs. And an extra one, double check Printify's intellectual property policy. These steps will help you avoid blurry prints and also any unwanted surprises. And remember that Printify's merchant support team is available 24/7 if you need any help. Okay, so next it's time to choose the right pillow products. So Printify offers so many different sizes, so many materials and styles, but it's always best to remember that your design can look different depending on the fabric that you choose. So for example, a more bright pattern might pop a little bit more on a 100% polyester fabric, while maybe a vintage style theme will look good with linen textured fabrics. So with this in mind, you definitely want to take your time and choose the right fabric that will complement your design. So here's a quick tip. Always order samples before you go ahead and launch, because you want to make sure that your pillow, decor pillows look exactly how you imagined and that it is up to 100% standard before your customers receive it. So once your designs are 100% ready, it's now time to automate your sales. And you can get started doing this by simply connecting your Printify account to your Etsy, your Shopify, or even your own website. So Printify is great because it handles all of the printing and shipping. All you need to do is simply focus on creating and also marketing if you choose to market. And a bonus tip, don't shy away from promoting your pillows on social media. We talked about this previously, but almost everyone is online and your designs might just compel them to make a purchase. So to make your posting a lot easier, you can use schedulers like Later or Planoly to automate posts about your new design so you don't have to think so much. Also, don't forget to keep your audience engaged by responding to their comments or their DMs. And so this method will help you drive more traffic to your store. Okay, and finally, you can launch your store and monitor what is working and what does not work. So you will find different designs that sell better than others, what your customers think via the customer reviews, and any seasonal trends that will help you to plan out your schedule a lot better. So be sure to stay adaptable and absolutely don't forget to update your online store with any new fresh designs that you might have regularly. This is going to keep your shop exciting and fun. Customers are going to keep coming back for more. Okay guys, and there you have it. By using Printify, you can absolutely turn trending designs into high quality pillow products, and you can automate the entire process for passive income. So I hope that this video helped to encourage you even more to open up your very own online business through Printify. You can absolutely do it. If I can do it, you can as well. There are so many other sellers online making a killing, selling different digital products, and even pillow cover products as well, as we covered here in this video. So if you want to give it a try, check out the link in my description box for a huge discount, and you can get started right away selling your designs. All right, so thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that this video gave you more ammunition, more fuel to your fire. If it did, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Share it with a friend, another creative friend, or someone who could use another stream of income. And don't forget to subscribe, because we talk about how to build your very own online business in addition to different work from home jobs that are hiring. We also share ways that you can make money from home so that you can build up your finances and hit those goals that you have, as we mentioned before. Thank you guys once again for watching, and we will chat in the next video.